Okay, welcome back to Grab Station's YouTube video. So this week we are not in the studio anymore. We are basically with the boys working and doing some PPF. So I'm standing beside a brand new Jimny 2021 4-wheels drive. Just got dropped off from the showroom, from the dealers, brand new, straight to our workshop just to get a full paint protection film coverage. So basically the boys are already doing a bit of two panels already. So this is the first panels being the biggest one, and we are basically moving into the front door because it's only a 2 doors car. The front door is getting protected. So obviously with PPF we already did basically a 2-stage paint corrections because it's brand new. There's not much scratch. We basically just did some finishing to the paint just to make sure that the gloss came back to life, which it did, which is very good. So the car has been protected very nicely. The hood and the front door is currently underway, and I will see you on the beauty side. Okay, so as you can see, the car is the tiniest we ever did in Grab Stations basically. So the car it's not that big. It's probably need about 12 meters of PPF just to cover it up. So what's unique is that it's so small that it's the cutest we ever basically touch or we ever PPF. So yeah, it's just a fun fact for you guys that the car is basically this big, so which is just not that big anyway. We never seen cars so small like that, not even a mini. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, another fun fact with the Suzuki Jimny is that based on the website that we're looking at, is that the power it makes is only 101 horsepower. Engine size is 1462 cc. So seats only 4, which I doubt that it can fit maybe just 2 adults and 2 children, which is a fair size of the car. Ground clearance is 200 millimeters. Apart from that, it's such a unique car. But what's more important is that it's a 4-wheel drive, so you can actually switch it not on the go, but you have to stop it based on the manual instruction here. So basically, you have to stop and switch it from 2 wheels to 4 wheels, which is pretty interesting, I think. So yeah. Okay, so I think we have found the unusual sort of place that we normally put a PPF on, which is going to be this part right here. So this part is where the tricky bit of the car is going to be, just because it has all these vents, small, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 or 5 small holes of vents that we need to cut it through. So that and the wiper as well, wiper holders where the wiper is going to be. So I think it's going to be interesting because we need to basically do one big piece of PPF on top of that, and then we have to do a lot of manual cuts on all these vents where the wipers and when the air vent is going to sit. But apart from that, the engine bay is still dirty. We haven't gone through that stage yet where we detail the engine and we detail the interiors, but As you can see, the PPF is still hanging, so we let it dry because of the big panels like the engine covers and the hoods needed time to dry. So basically we're gonna let it dry, we'll let it hang like that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's the unusual thing that we found on the car, just because of the size of the car that is too small, but that's pretty unique. So yeah. Okay, so we have come to the end of the beautiful installations of gloss paint protection film on this Suzuki Jimny. We've added a ceramic coat on top of the PPF. We've added a ceramic coat on the windshield. We detailed the engine, we detailed the interior, and it should get picked up maybe today or tomorrow by the owner. And yeah, there shouldn't be anything else to say. Hope you enjoy the beauty. Hope you enjoy the cinematic. I'll see you on the next video.